Hey guys, it's Cody DeQuisto here with Lobo Custom Gear, and today I'm going to do a quick run through on your Lobo concealment grommets. Whether you're putting in your original set of grommets that come with your bow, or these are an additional color that you purchased, or an extra set you may have, you might find yourself kind of wondering what the easiest way to go about this is. So I'm gonna walk you through that, and we're gonna go through it step by step. So these are your grommets. They come in a set of 8, so you get one for every single opening on your riser. Now, it's up to you on how many of these you want to put in. I personally know people that are doing every other one for more of a erratic pattern. You can put them all in. There is one for each individual section. So when you get these out of the bag, you got a bunch of grommets laying around. The easiest way to go about assembly, they are not numbered, but there are a few iconic pieces that'll get you going. So you have your center piece. This has a bunch stringed into one. So this is 4 grommets into one. This is very easy to figure out where this goes. This goes right where your sight and right where your rest are mounted near the shelf of your bow. So once you get this one pinned out, you can go ahead and install that one, and that's going to be the center. There's 2 other pieces that are very self-explanatory. They follow the shape. You can't confuse these with anywhere else. Your bottom grommet that is labeled tree dimensional, that is going to go on this erratic shape toward the bottom of your riser. You can go ahead and assemble that one in, and then you also have a longer rectangular piece that goes into the top portion of your riser. Once you have those 3 positioned in there, it's very easy to kind of go forward and just line these up with the remaining holes in your bow riser. When you're putting these in too, it's very simple. If you need to, you can get them wet and put a little water on them, but they do pop in quite easily. Just push one end through and kind of just wiggle it back and forth. It's pretty easy to tell too, once the full set of grommets is in the bow, you will see a continuation of the bark pattern throughout the entire riser. So if you see, if one grommet doesn't seem like it's fitting very right and it doesn't continue the pattern to the next one, you probably got it in the wrong hole, but that's kind of hard to do. And there you have it.